Hello everybody, this is Jayesh Khatri. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate discount and sales tax fast and easy all in one step. I've created this app called Smart Auto Calculator. It's available on App Store and Play Store and you can download it. Let's say we're buying a dress and a pair of shoes from a store and they're offering 20% discount and the sales tax rate is 6.5%. Let me show you how to calculate it fast and easy all in one step. So let's first enable the fin mode, which is this here. This means that it is going to calculate all the items in 2 decimal places. So let's say the first item is $39.99 and $24.99. So 39 plus $24.99 times 20%, 20%, and minus. So there's $13 and that's $13 here, minus that will be $51.98, and you put that in the memory M plus, which is M plus here. So now you know that it is in the M plus box. Now you recall that MR, which is MR is recall, and multiply that by 6.5%, multiply 6.5%, and we're going to add that because that is sales tax. So that will give us 5536, which is 55.35.87. So as you can see, it is very easy to calculate with our calculator taxes and discount at the same time. Thank you for your time.